Hello, this is Lettergram.net's cross product and dot product or vector multiplication video. This is the dot product, this first example, which is a scalar value in which a dot b is equal to the absolute value of a times b cosine theta, where the theta is the angle between a and b, or right down here. Alright, so basically, a dot product, you take the, for example, vector a, will be equal to some value of I, I'll call it 3i, plus some value of j, I'm going to call it 3j, and I'm only going to use 2 dimensions in this case, but you could have a third dimension, which I'm going to call just 3k, though I'm not going to use it in this example. Now what j means is in the y direction, down here, there is a value of like that value of that vector of a, or the sine theta of that, and then this would be the down here, the 3i would be the x value, or the a cosine theta of this vector. There'll be a better example in if you go to my website lettergram.net and for download, which is free, and it'll explain all this very thoroughly. Okay, so what a dot product is if you take the vector b a and the vector b and set it equal to, I'm going to call it 1i plus 1j. If you just take the multiples of each of these, so say 3 times 1, which is 3, and 3 times 1, which is 3, you'll get the new vector. If you just add these two together, you'll get the dot product to be equal to 6. Because all you do in the dot product is multiply this a times this b, or 3i times 1i, and 3j times 1j, which is equal to 6. Now say we can put new values in there, and we make, for a, we decide to make this 5i plus, I don't know, we can make 3j again, and then we make vector b equal to 3i and plus negative 3j. We come out with entirely new values. We'll have 15i, since we have to take the dot product or the multiply this. We get 15 plus 3 times negative 3, which is equal to negative 9, and the dot product will be equal to 6. Now if we decide to take the theta in here of AB, what we will do is we'll take the vector A dot vector B divided by the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B, which are both scalar values, and that'll equal cosine theta. So the easiest way to do that is if I make A equal to 2i plus 3j and vector B equal to 2i plus 1j. Now we take the 2i's, multiply them by each other, 2 times 2, and then add the 2j's multiplied together, which is 3 times 1, and divide it by the magnitude of A, which is the square root 2 squared plus 3 squared, and we have to multiply it then by the magnitude of B, which is 2 squared plus 1 squared, and that will give us 4 plus 3 divided by 13 square root and 5, which will give us 7 divided by 65 and that will equal the cosine theta, which if we do cosine -1, 7 divided by 65, square root 65, will give us theta, which is the angle between the two vectors. And this is the dot product rule. I'll continue in the next video with the cross product rule. Hope this helps. At lettergram.net there'll be downloadable content which will explain this a little bit better. Sorry, I had quite a few errors in this video. I'm really tired and just trying to get through this real quick. So